Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can use LinkedIn for beginners. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can post on LinkedIn, how you guys can message each other, how you guys can find jobs in LinkedIn. Alright, so we have made a video on how to create a LinkedIn account. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch out that video. After you create an account, let me show you how this thing works. Alright, so basically LinkedIn is used for like jobs or like to connect with your company worker, or if your company has a LinkedIn, then you can join your company's LinkedIn group and like talk with your co-workers or like know what is happening in your community. So basically LinkedIn is for like finding jobs and for like co-workers to connect with each other and to do all those other stuffs related with company work. All right, so once you open LinkedIn like this, linkedin.com, it is like the official website of LinkedIn. Now before moving forward from over here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Once you come to LinkedIn, log in into your account, this is our home page. So if you have followed somebody or if you have like liked somebody's post, all of this is going to be shown over here, like as you guys can see. So this is where you guys see this is your home page. Now if you want to find jobs, you want to go on the job section over here and try to find jobs by clicking on search jobs. If you want to message your workers or like message other people, you can go on message section and all the people who are connected to you are going to be shown over here. From the list you can choose anybody and write them any message you want. If you want to see any notification or like any new thing which is like on your account, you can just click on notifications and notifications related with anything will pop up over here. Now if you want to like go your profile, you can click on me and click on view profile. And if you want to try the premium version of LinkedIn, you can click on try premium and buy it, or try its 1 month free trial. All right, but I'm going to click on view profile and it's going to take me on my profile, and my profile picture and my background picture is going to be over here. If I ever want to change it, I can click on this to change it, and for this as well I can just click on it and click on upload photo and change my profile picture. All right, so it shows this because I haven't uploaded any picture until now. So yeah, and if you want to edit your name or any other stuff, click on this pencil icon and you can change your name over here, or you can change your job titles over here. You can change anything related with your profile from over here. Just make sure after you change it, you click on save. All right, otherwise it's not gonna change. And yeah, all the things which you have posted are gonna be shown over here on your profile, so you need to come to your profile to see whatever you have posted. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can use LinkedIn. And yeah, to post something on LinkedIn, once you come to LinkedIn's homepage, you can see this little bar icon. You can click on start a post. You can write anything you want. You can upload your picture as well, or a video as well, or you can add a document. So I'm just gonna type random thing and click on post. Just make sure you click on post, alright? And it should be posted over here. And yeah, you can also hover your mouse on top of the like button and choose which reaction you want to give them. So that's basically how we guys can use LinkedIn. And you can share them as well by clicking on share, or you can send them to anybody in your messages by clicking on send, or you can even write your own comment over here by clicking on comment. Alright, so that's the basic gist of it. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. Bye bye.